Hey guys, so there is a great way you can trade options in crypto, and this is basically a gamified options trading, which is quite great and I like it. And for example, if you don't know how to trade options, this is a great way to basically learn it. So if you want to learn something new in finance and crypto, this PokPok protocol basically makes options trading easy, as it says here. So first of all, let's check the trailer so you basically understand what this means.
Today, we're diving deep into our special chickens that thrive in stormy markets, our put chickens.
Like shorting the market?
Even better, let me show you why.
So basically you can short the market and you can long the market by playing this game.
When you short directly, it's like borrowing someone else's chickens. If prices rise too much, boom, you might lose everything. But without...
So shorting basically means that you expect for the price to go lower. So if you bet that the price will go lower and it goes lower, you will get some basically gains. If you bet that it goes higher, which is called a call options, which means that you expect for the price to go up, and if it goes up, you get some basically profits, and you can basically claim your profits depending on how many days you are betting.
Put chickens, you can never lose more than your feed cost.
So, no surprise disasters?
Exactly. Known risk, better sleep. Another downside with shorting the market, you need lots of collateral, like filling a whole barn with safety hay. But put chickens, just pay for your feed and you're ready to go. Same profit potential, much less capital needed. Lastly, short sellers worry about liquidation prices, margin calls, unlimited losses, borrowing fees. Put chicken farmers only watch their feed schedule, giving you no funding rates, no liquidation risk, fixed costs, peace of mind. So remember, farmers, put chickens, protect your farm. Known risks, known costs. Better than shorting.
Smarter farming, better sleep.
So what are you waiting for? Start your farming journey at PokPok.io.
So basically what you have to do is go on their website, and here is the website. The first thing you want to do is go on this hatchery. Basically you will have two options, basically PEGG options and spread options. I would suggest you, if you are learning, I would suggest you to go with this, which will have you a capped profit, lower cost, and range bound trades, which means that your upside to get basically bigger profits is capped, so you will get less, but it is much safer. If you know what you're doing, you can go with this unlimited profit installment plan and directional trades. So basically choose this one. Here you can see, here you can mean chickens that represent options. Begin this by selecting product of your choice. So basically you can choose the asset you want to work with. I will choose Ethereum. Now, if you, for example, let's check, this is basically their token, which is quite undervalued right now. Market cap is 1 million, but if you are trading Ethereum or Bitcoin, you want to check the price. And for example, in my opinion, Ethereum will go up for the next in the next 3 to 7 days. I don't know, but that's what I expect. So basically you predict for the call option, for this one, you predict that the price will go up. For the put option, you will predict that the price will go down. So you basically take this up if you want to. And here basically you can set your duration for 3 days, which is quick rear, and normal rear for 7 days. And you can basically select economy or nourishing. Economy will be basically, it will make you your upfront cost lower, but the overall cost will be higher. If you want nourishing, the upfront cost will be higher, but the total will be basically lower. So that's basically how you want to play this game or bet on Ethereum price. And you can also choose your trade size, full or half. And here you basically will see, for example, you want quick rear and initial fee will be 0.02 Ethereum. And the most important part is that you will have to feed your chicken basically for the next 2 days for 0.01 Ethereum. And you will basically just select next and mint your POC. Here you basically can see the analysis, scenario analysis. So if the price goes up, you will get a profit, and the more it goes up, the bigger profit you will have. And if it goes down, you will lose basically your investment. So basically, after you hatch your POC, you will basically go to this coop, which will show you that you have to feed your chicken every day. For example, if you set for 3 days, you will have to feed every 24 hours. And basically, it will show you if it's starved, if it's fed, and you don't want to starve your chicken because you will lose your position. So that's what you want to do. Depending on how many days you will hatch or set your trade for, maybe 7 days. So you will have to feed your chicken every 7 days. I mean, every day for 7 days. And after you, for example, you get your profits, you will be able to stake your chicken and basically just get your profits right here. Here you can see right now it's staking APR is 2,440%, which is quite high. I don't know how much it is in day. This is basically in a year. So it is around, I think, 200% every month. That could be around 6 to 7% every day if you farm the, basically stake your chickens. Now, you can also buy chickens on OpenSea. Here you can see there are total 888 items. The floor price is 0.3039 Ethereum. It is going up quite rapidly. Next thing I want to show you on in this game, in this options basically app, is Great Haul. So you can basically check your profile. You can you can make your watch list. You can even copy trade other users. So if you think that some people are great at basically getting profits, you can basically go here. You can check them. You can see the leaderboard. Here you can see top traders. So you basically click on his history and you can see how he is trading, and basically just take some examples. Win streak is 72 and he has copied 2 trades from other people. So his win rate is 55%, which is quite great, and win streak is 72. So he has won 72 times in a row. So that's what you can do. This is quite amazing. So you can basically learn. If you don't know how to trade options, you can do it fun way, basically by using this application. And if you go to this dashboard, you can see your own activity. You can see the global ranking, a profit leaderboard, basically the people that gain the biggest profits. POK leaderboard, basically the POK chicken leaderboard. Now, when you see this tokens tab, you can see the staking APR for a PEGG token is 2,440%. So that's a great staking APR. And that's basically what you want to do if you want to learn how to trade options. Go on this website. I will basically link all the links in the description. PokPok protocol. Basically, you can also add liquidity to Aerodrome Finance, which is one of the biggest liquidity protocols in the crypto space right now. And by the way, this game is on base, so there are basically zero fees, few cent fees that you don't have to pay that large Ethereum fee, like few dollars. So it is few cents for each transaction. And again, for more information, you can check their pokpok.gitbook.io. Here will be everything explained in detail, what you can do, how you can get the bigger profits, and basically make money just by playing game. Of course, there is always a risk. That's why you have to do your research, do big research, deep research, check everything. Go on their Discord. Discord link is on their profile. The profile will be in the link in the description. So check Discord, ask people if you don't know something. And again, check the PokPok game.pokpok.io. Great way to trade options if you haven't traded. Great way to learn because everything in this space is about learning. If you want to be early, you have to learn every day. If you learn, for example, something new every day, you will be the 1% of the people that are in this space that know how to do stuff, how to trade options, how to trade perpetuals and everything like that. And this is a great way to learn. That's why thanks for watching. And if you want to get early alpha, you can check my Patreon. Everything I post first on my Patreon. So people that want to get even earlier that on my YouTube videos, because it's much easier for me to post on Patreon first, which takes me a few seconds, only a few hours after I post on YouTube for the alpha. You can follow my Patreon. The link is in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.